Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Today I am very excited to be reacting to this because it's not music, it's a short film actually from Botswana. And I thought about reacting or watching the entire thing right here on this reaction, but I'm not going to do that because I want you guys to go check it out on YouTube. And yeah, it's one of the most beautiful thing I have seen coming out of Botswana, and yeah, it's one. It's exciting. It's exciting. As a Botswana, I just I look forward to seeing things like this coming from Botswana because it's really rare. Okay, so big up to people who produce this, and the storyline is amazing. We're just gonna watch a little bit of it because I tried to find a trailer, I didn't find a trailer of this, and I don't know why they're not promoting this. I don't think I've seen this outside of this, and this I only found this short film by coincidence. Okay, so and I think that it should have more people talking about it, people who have seen it, but I don't know. I don't know why they are not promoting it. Okay, so the short film is called Baratani. Um, the short film is called Baratani, and like I said, it's from Botswana. So maybe I will. I was gonna save this for the last, but this is, I don't know. Maybe no. Let me not ruin it. Let's get to the film, and then I can talk about it after. Okay, so let's see.
Gape e rile e le kgaretšwana e bidiwa bogadi mo motseng mongwe mono Botswana. Kgaretšwana e ne e beilwe letlhokwa ke monna wa mohumi a bidiwa Maatla Marumi.
So yes, I feel like I don't know how I can make this so like I don't ruin it. Okay, yeah, this is a love story that I have heard about, but also I've not really heard about. Okay, yeah. There's a place in Botswana called Baratani. It's a hill. Is it a hill or a mountain? Hill. What is the difference between a hill and a mountain? It's a hill. You will correct me if I'm wrong, if you are from Botswana. So it's a hill, and there was a story that, you know, that hill, you cannot go there because the last people that went there were lovers, and they never came back to this day. And it's a beautiful story, and it's a beautiful thing that they did with this short film. So I'm gonna try to forward it here so that I'm not ruining it for you guys. Okay, this is brilliant. Please go check it out. Go watch it somewhere. I don't know if it's like in the movie theater somewhere, wherever you hear about this, please go check it out because it's really good. It's also there on YouTube. So yeah, I'll actually leave the link down below. So
Ratu, bontle jwa gago bo dira gore go jaaka bo itige fela.
the actors are so brilliant. Even the colors are just like, you know, it's a beautiful thing I have seen. So I'm super proud. I don't even know what I'm saying right now because this is one of the proud moments. Okay, let me see. I just don't want to ruin the end for you because I feel like the end is what brings it all together. So I don't want to ruin that for you. Let me see if I can play that for a little bit for you.
Go mo go rona gore re tlhagolele bokamoso jo bo re nang lerato ka mehuta ya lone. To the hill of lovers.
To the hill of lovers.
All right, so I almost ruined it for you guys. Anyway, that is the Hills of Lovers. Oh, I was right. It's not the mountain. It's the Hills of Lovers. Lenzola Baratani. So, man, whoever made this is a brilliant idea. This is the best thing I have watched in a long time, coming from Botswana, and I think it was created by Botswana. So, yeah. It's a beautiful story. I encourage you to just like go down below, check the link, and watch it for yourself. Watch the full video for yourself and let me know in the comment section, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. And then we'll see you guys on the other side. Bye.